Bathrooms tend to need cleaning more than they need organizing, as they don't accumulate too much clutter, except when it comes to all those products. The drawers and cabinets of our bathrooms inevitably end up hiding a whole lot of things that need sorting, everything from makeup and hair accessories to first aid supplies. And we haven't even discussed the various shampoos, conditioners, hair dyes, and other bath and body products that collect in this space. Be ruthless in sorting things out. You really don't need those 15 miniature lotions you picked up at hotels over the years. The process. 1. Prepare. Gather your 4 trusty baskets: keep, trash, donate, and other room. There may not be a lot of other room stuff in the bathroom, but you should consider moving your medications. Medications that are still in use should be stored in the kitchen, not the bathroom, as many can be damaged by heat and steam. Anything expired or that no one is taking anymore should be discarded properly. Ask your pharmacy for instructions, as some medicines should not go into the landfill or down the toilet. 2. Sort and purge. Go through everything in the drawers and closets and on the counters. Really scrutinize each of your bath and body products. If you keep makeup in the bathroom, look at every item and decide whether you really ever use it, or if it should be trashed. Same with hair and body products. As for the donate basket, women's shelters often need shampoos and conditioners, so if you have those single-size bottles from hotels, or any products you haven't opened but don't need, consider donating them. 3. Clean. Give that bathroom a thorough cleaning. Scrub the bath, shower, toilets, counters, mirror, and cabinets. Finish by mopping the floor and launder any throw rugs, towels, curtains, and decorative linens. 4. Organize. Use small bins, baskets, and trays everywhere you can to group like items together. Use drawer organizers or dividers in any available spaces to keep small items contained and organized. Divide your office into zones. The home office is a versatile and multi-use workhorse of a room, responsible for everything from bills to day jobs to blogger duties. With so much going on and the amount of time you're likely to spend in this space, you'll want to set up an organized room that will stay that way. Here's how to divide the space into useful zones. A work zone. The work zone is the desk area. It includes your computer, lamp, printer, tax organizer, and desktop files. These are your most used papers that won't stay in a drawer long enough to live there. B. Mail zone. Organize your mail in a drawer near your work zone. This area should include a bin for incoming and outgoing mail, as well as stamps, envelopes, address labels, packing tape, a postage scale, a stationery set, and any other correspondence needs. C. Bill payment zone. All things needed to pay bills go in the bill payment zone. This likely includes the bills themselves, a calculator, your checks, a budget binder, and an account and password log. D. Filing zone. Your filing cabinet, a paragon of home organization, goes in the filing zone, as expected. E. Planning zone. The planning zone provides a home for any family calendars, personal organizers or planners, and other supplies, extra inserts, stickers, washi tape, etc. F. Office supply zone. The supply zone holds extra printer paper, printer ink, pens and pencils, staples, tape, file folders, labeler and label tape, and other office needs. G. Book zone. Even if you have bookshelves in other parts of your home, some books, personal finance, household planning, maybe even this one, may wind up on the bookshelf in your office. H. School zone. The school zone includes any school paperwork and can also incorporate a home workstation. Control paper clutter. Paper clutter is the #1 problem of messy home offices, and it can be overwhelming and daunting to tackle. But once you get a handle on it, maintaining paper clutter is a breeze. Take control of incoming paper with a daily systematic process. As soon as paper comes into your home, take the following actions. Junk mail. Immediately recycle or shred any junk mail. Don't give it a chance to accumulate, it's called junk for a reason. Bills. Decide if you need to pay the bill now. If not, place it in a bill organizer. Keepsakes. If you deem a paper keepsake worthy, place it in a designated box. School papers can take over your home in an instant. Prevent this from happening by taking 5 minutes each afternoon, as soon as the kids get home from school, to go through each of their backpacks. Respond to any items that need your attention, recycle any trash, file artwork, see item 120, and have your children get started on their homework. Magazines and newspapers, keep only the most current periodicals in your home. Read the daily newspaper, then place it in a designated recycling basket. If you don't have time to read it, recycle it, it's old news. Once a new magazine arrives in the mail, toss the last edition. Action items, anything that needs your attention or response, such as any wedding or party invitations, should go into an action folder. Once or twice a week, go through the folder and do what needs doing. TO file, important papers that need to be filed should go into a to file folder, but only if you don't have time to file them right away. Then once a week, go through and file everything in this folder in its proper place. Organize your files. If you are the type of person who likes the feel of thumbing through papers and filing away work, you'll appreciate a well-organized filing system. If, instead, you are up to speed on digital record keeping and own a document scanner, then digital file organization is the way to go. Whichever you choose, keep a handle on paperwork by taking action as soon as it arrives. Look over all documents and statements to make sure they are correct. Then shred anything you have online access to, or file away those items that you want to keep on hand. Set up a filing system using color-coded hanging folders, and maintain it by purging irrelevant documents at least once a year. Before tax season is a good time.